Hi, my name is Peter Fougerousse. I'm the creator and narrator of this course. It's designed for beginner to intermediate sailors, but can also be beneficial to experienced sailors. Thank you for taking the time to preview the Sailboat Skipper Course. This course covers all the requisite knowledge to charter a sailing yacht anywhere in the world. What yacht charter companies require is that you have experience, usually presented to them in the form of a sailing resume. They also require that you have the knowledge needed to operate the vessel safely and by the rules. This course will provide you with that knowledge, as well as a certificate of completion, which you can present to the charter companies along with your resume to assure them of your seaworthiness as a skipper. One notable exception to this is in European waters. Visit bareboatmaster.org for details on how we can help you procure your license to charter a yacht in Europe. This Sailboat Skipper Course is the first in a series of online sailing and boating courses. The objective of this and all of our courses is to promote good seamanship with an emphasis on safety, following international standards. Experienced sailors who want to challenge and test out of the ASA 101 and 103 can use this as a refresher course to prep for the test. Anyone who wants to prepare themselves ahead of time for the RYA Day Skipper Shore-Based certification can use this course for that purpose as well. You may use this course as a preview prior to your first on-the-water instruction class, or even if you have acquired your own vessel and have no need for a certification but want to fill gaps in your knowledge. As we progress through this course and discuss every topic related to being the skipper of a sailing yacht, we will always focus on the safety of the crew and the vessel. We will be covering topics such as the weather, sea conditions, tides and depth, understanding weather systems, the wind, and how to interpret weather warnings, the VHF radio and proper communication methods. We will cover how to handle crew overboard situations. Some of the most important topics related to safety, which will be covered in this course, are the rules of the road when operating around other vessels and how to take action to avoid collisions. The importance of having a lookout, as well as the meaning behind vessel lights and shapes. We will cover many topics related to the proper operation of the vessel around mooring, like leaving the dock, returning to the slip, as well as anchoring. All of this will be covered in detail along with the systems that you'll be dealing with, like electrical systems, diesel engine operation, the rigging and sails. To charter a boat in a new and unfamiliar place, you must be a competent navigator. So we cover navigation, both electronic and using nautical charts, chart symbols and aids to navigation. There's no substitute for practical experience, and our course will give you the essential knowledge that complements your on-the-water experience. This format offers many advantages over books and even in-person classes. We will cover a lot of topics. To many, that can be overwhelming. The ability to review on demand and the benefit of taking the course at your own pace are key to your ability to retain a vast amount of information. Once you purchase the course, you may review it if needed for years to come from the comfort of your home. One of our goals is to accelerate your learning process. For this reason, we have designed this course to be faster and more condensed than most books on the topic without leaving out any essential information. It is our belief that you will learn more if your time is not wasted and you can devote more of it to improving your retention. Our objective is to help you acquire the knowledge needed to build your competence at sea. Clearly, the more seamanship knowledge you acquire, the safer the mariner you will become. For this reason, we encourage everyone to be humble and have an attitude of ongoing learning from all available sources. We are convinced that for the price, this program will offer you more bang for your buck than any in-person classes will. Right now would be a great time for you to go ahead and purchase this course. Taking this course is a huge step towards your next sailing adventure. Let's get started.